Well, today we're at Cinema Vehicles.
We're a custom fabrication shop to TV and movies.
We're working on creating a special vehicle with psionics for Rocket League.
Rocket League is a video game that combines soccer with rocket-powered cars.
You know, we're celebrating gamers' passions. What's magical about this is the chief designer of the F-150 and his team, and the chief designer of the Rocket League vehicles and his team got together through a series of meetings and truly collaborated on this vehicle.
A standard F-150 drives on 4 wheels on the ground.
In the game, the thing's flying through the air and just smacking into a big soccer ball, basically. So it had to look like it could handle that.
So we're really excited about the next process of this, which is taking the Rocket League Edition F-150, which is a virtual vehicle, and bringing it back into real life.
The vehicle is a Ford F-150. We are redoing the front grille, the rear end, adding some different wheels.
There's amazing customizations to it, like, you know, swept A-pillars.
It's a little bit shorter, a little bit wider. The shape of it is a little bit more aggressive.
If you look inside the bed, you'll see rocket parts and a rocket engine that were pulled from the fiction of the game.
So our focal point is going to be amber lighting, programmed to spin fast, like it's a turbine illusion. I'm most excited about seeing this thing start to come together.
You can have 1,000 pieces laying around, it looks just like a skeleton sitting there, and then all of a sudden, 2 days later, boom.
Tying in the Built Ford Tough attitude with Rocket League has been a fantastic combination.
The one-of-a-kind F-150 Rocket League Edition.